Hi friends, today I'm showing you the Uttora Outdoor Explorer Kit. These are the gifts for toys, kids, binocular set, and you can see what's inside this package. I will show you the unboxing and show you how it can be used and what type of parts and everything is available in this pack. So let me unbox this and show you. So this is a butterfly net on the top of this box. Is used to catch butterflies that you can use. It's good for kids. It's a small butterfly catcher. This is a magnifier. So this have a big magnifier, the small lens, and then also a small compass on the handle. So the glass, the size and the shape is really nice. This is a carry bag that you can carry all these products inside this bag. It's a waterproof, nice bag. So you can put all this and then put on your shoulder strap. This is a compass. So it's a good size big compass. You can see it's have a magnifying glass as well if you want to use that. And shows all the directions. This will be a fun games for kids, especially in the spring season. This is an insect bottle. So you can collect your insects in this bottle, and it also have a magnifying glass top on top of it. So it's an insect collector. So you can put an insect inside it, and then you can put a cap on top, and then this magnifying glass so that you can actually see the magnified insect. So everything is designed very well and is good for kids. This is an insect clamp that you can use to hold the insect inside without hurting him or her. So you can easily catch the bug inside it, and you can see it from the outside clear glass or the plastic. So this is a bottle that also used to catch the insect inside. This is like for the air, small thing that the air can pass through, but the insect cannot go out of it. This is a whistle, so used for whistling, like in case like kids want to play with that and want to call their friends. This whistle also have a neck thread or the strap that they can put in and put it in their neck or around the neck. This is a big insect collector. It's very similar to one like insect bottle. So it's insect collector. It have the air to pass through, a magnifying glass to see through. It also have a strap that you can hold. Pretty much is magnifying that you can see the magnified bug. And this is the fun part, there are the realistic insects that come with it. And if your kids do not want to or fear the bugs, or you don't want them to get into the bug stuff, you can actually use these artificial insect and play with them indoor. And they look like really real and very like a plastic one. And there are like, I think, 8 of them. So this is the introduction, like what is inside and all the manual. This is a tweezer that can use to pick the bug, and the binoculars. So as you see, like it's a complete set, and the binoculars is like adjustable and have a strap that you can put around your neck. So this binoculars is also like good quality, good for kids, for small bugs and everything. So you can see like it's overall like a good complete set for the outdoor exposure with the bugs and everything. You can also use the realistic bugs inside, and the kids can play and have fun and learning with them. So overall, it's a nice outdoor explorer kit, a good gift for kids. 22-piece set. Subscribe to our channel.